Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, today I'm so excited because we're going to be making egg rolls, and I haven't made this in years. I remember years ago. I might have even been in college. I don't really remember, but I remember making egg rolls for the first time, and I'm so excited to be making them again. So these are going to be I'm going to make two types of egg rolls. One of them is going to be a hamburger egg roll. So it's going to have the ground hamburger meat in it. Okay, and all I'm going to do with this meat is I already added a little bit of ketchup in there. I added some seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of curry because I like the flavors at the next level, you know, that flavor level that it gives it. And I also added a little bit of dash seasoning in there. And I'll show you the seasoning it is right now. I use the garlic herb seasoning. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. All right, garlic herb. And then I'm going to let it cook until it's all the way cooked through. And then I'm going to add some Velveeta, the block cheese, just a little bit to this. Okay, just to make it like a cheeseburger. Maybe a little bit of milk to loosen it up. And that's going to be our filling for our hamburger egg roll. Okay, so that's that. We're also going to drain that. Now, for the other egg roll is going to be a crab egg roll, an imitation crab. You can use real crab if you like, but I'm going to be using imitation crab. And this is what I bought. It's 8 ounces, crab classic flake style. They had all different styles. They had a leg style. They had one that was cut up into like straw shapes, and they had another I don't remember what the shape of it was called, but they're ready to eat, and it's imitation, and it's 8 ounces. That's what I got. All right, and I also cooked. What I did was I cooked down some cabbage that already came pre-cut, and what I added was garlic to it, a little bit of garlic, green onion, regular yellow onion. Okay, and I just cooked it down a little so you don't have those tough pieces of cabbage in your egg roll, because it's not going to cook down once you start frying your egg roll. And this is the cabbage that I bought. Okay, the brand does not matter. You can even just buy cabbage your own, a whole cabbage, and cut it down yourself if you like. But I bought the classic coleslaw. And it comes with the carrots and cabbage in it. It already comes sliced up. You can slice it up a little bit more, cut it down a little bit more if you like. I just left mine as it is, and I cooked it down a little. All right, then what we're going to do is we're going to get a bowl. Oh, also I have egg roll wraps. Okay, I don't know. These are called vegan. I assume they're the same as regular wraps. I don't know. I don't remember the type I used to use. They're made by Nosoya. All right. And it says that they are eggless. Maybe that's why they're not. Maybe that's why they're vegan. I don't know. But that's what we're going to be using. Okay, we're going to use a block of cream cheese. I also added some sazon in there for color in the cabbage mix. We're going to use cream cheese that's been left out for an hour or a little bit longer because we want it to be soft enough to mix with everything else. Also, in the cabbage mix, I added some a teaspoon of light soy sauce, light in sodium, and I also added a few drops of toasted sesame oil. Okay, and let me tell you, I'll eat it like that because the flavor and the smell, the aroma that you got from just the toasted sesame oil, a vegetable egg roll, oh my goodness, that would be great. Right, so what we're doing now, we're just letting everything cool down before we add it to the egg roll, to the cream cheese and the crab mix. Okay, the crab pieces. We just want everything to cool. We can actually add the cream cheese. We can mix that together right now with the crab, but we need to wait for this cabbage mixture to cool down and the meat before we start assembling our egg rolls. All right, so I'm going to add my cheese in here, and when everything is cooled down, okay, we'll be back. Okay guys, I made a few of the egg rolls already because all the filling has cooled down. So I've got 3 here of the hamburger with filling. And I've got a few here of the crab and cream cheese filling. So I'm going to show you 1 or 2, and then I'm going to finish the rest, and we'll come back and we'll fry them. Okay, so what you do is you take out 1 wrap. Okay, and you're going to face it this way towards you. You're not like a square, but the other way. Okay, diagonally. You're going to wet all the edges down with a spoon. I'm just using water, plain water, and the back of a spoon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to take your filling. In this case, it's our hamburger filling. Okay. This is a rather large spoon, so it's a lot of filling. Okay, we're going to bring up the corner. Okay, we're going to squeeze it down tight. Okay, we're going to bring one edge towards the middle, the next corner towards the middle. We're going to turn it a little bit. We're going to bring in this edge in, this edge in. We're going to wet those 2 little dry areas that we created. Okay, and then we're going to continue to roll. And there you go. This is our hamburger egg roll. Look how beautiful that turned out. Okay, let me make sure you guys can see that. Beautiful. Okay, nicely sealed. And now we're going to put it in here. Okay, we're going to let that rest for a while. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it with the crab mix. Okay, again, I like quite a bit of filling. Okay, there we go. Okay, I forgot to wet my edges, so I'm going to do that now. Doesn't really matter if you do it before you add the filling or not, as long as you haven't rolled it up yet. Okay, use the back of a spoon. Some people I've seen them use their finger. Doesn't matter, you can wet your finger, use that. The important thing is to get the roll, the wrapper wet, and then we're gonna roll it up a little, bring it in to tighten it up, bring in one edge to the middle, the other edge to the middle. Okay, bring in that corner in a little, bring the corner in a little. We're gonna wet that a bit there because it's gonna be dry. If you don't do that, it's not gonna adhere. And there you go. Okay, look how pretty that is. Okay, and this is our crab egg roll, right? Okay, we're gonna put that away. Now what I want to try is rolling them a different way, sealing them a different way. There's another way I saw a YouTuber do it, so I'm going to see if it works out for me. If not, then I'll continue doing it. But that up this way, but the other way seemed like so much quicker. So what they did was they went all the edges of the wrap. Okay. Then they added the filling. Okay, we've got enough hamburger filling for 2 more. Added the filling in there. And then I saw them. Okay, so instead of having it face you diagonally, you're gonna just have it facing you as a square shape, regular square shape. And then I saw them bringing, let's see how I saw them do it. Bring it up, fold over it, one edge towards the middle. You know what, for this we would probably have to wet this here, or else it's just not gonna work. Towards the middle, then this towards the middle, then they continued. Again, you're gonna wet the wrap, then you continue, and there you go. Okay, to me this is like a faster way. I'm gonna just remove this. A lot of cornstarch on this. I'm just gonna remove that. It's too much cornstarch. So, great, I made a mess. And you see it's sealed nicely, but it was a way, it seemed to be a, you know, way faster to me. So I don't know, maybe I'll continue. I'll do a few like this and see how they fry up. Okay, that's a hamburger one. Okay, and let's do the last filling for the hamburger. Okay, we're gonna do it the same way. So there's two different ways to roll these up. There's probably other ways to roll them up, but these are the two that I've seen. Okay, there you go. And the last of the hamburger mix in here. Oh, excuse me. Get something to wrap my hand with. Okay, so this time I think I'm going to bring in this edge, then bring in this edge towards the middle. And we're going to wet these sides down. There you go. Come around, tighten it, and come all the way around. Sure that's wet. Hey, this seems to work too. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, so we've got two different ways to roll that up. It turned out nice too. Just hope that it fries up nicely. Okay, so we've got those done. So out of that ½ pound of hamburger mixture with cheese, we got 6 egg rolls, 6 hamburger egg rolls. And we still have enough filling for the crab mixture. So now I'm gonna roll the crab mixture the same way that I rolled the last 2 hamburger ones. And hopefully they do fry up well. Put it this way. Okay, I'm gonna wet all our edges. You know, guys, I needed to look to make sure that I pressed recording again. Oh, Lord, that would have been sad. Well, actually, I still had more filling left to show you, but still. Woo. Imagine recording all that time. I mean, doing your video and you think you're recording all that time and you're not. Oh, it's happened to me before. Okay, so we've got the filling in there. You know what? Let's do it the long way. Okay. Put that in like that. Put my hand a little. Okay, we're going to bring it in the side here. Bring it in on the side. And now we're going to wet down these sides. Okay. Roll them tightly. And there we go. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful. And it was faster. Way faster than the other method. I think I'm going to continue that way. trying to remember what video I saw that in. Name of the video. So guys, listen, I just gotta let you know again that I'm really enjoying your comments. It just, makes me happy to see, all the different suggestions you're giving me and the great comments and all the likes and all the sharing of my videos. I hope that you continue to do so because I'm really enjoying this, and it encourages me to continue to bring you videos that I enjoy and hopefully you also enjoy. Okay, so again, we're going to bring this over. Ooh, that's the wind down there. I don't know if you guys hear it. Ooh, got really high winds out there today. Wow. Is that the wind? Yeah, that is the wind. Okay, here we go. We're going to bring this around. Wow. I mean, I just see the alert that we're having high wind gales today. Just see that. Okay, the only thing is I'm not too sure about these bottom areas, if they'll stay closed. Hopefully they will. Okay. So I'm going to show you what we've got so far. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the crab ones, and it looks like we've got mixture for 2 or 3 more. So guys, we'll be back when I'm all done and we're ready to fry. Okay guys, we've got our egg rolls cooking in here, and we've got 3 in here. We don't want to overcrowd the pan, and we poured enough oil to cover the egg rolls. So we're just going to wait until we're all done with them, and we'll be back. Okay guys, we're back, and we've got most of our egg rolls, well not most of them, part of them, maybe about 30% of them fried. Just want to show you what they look like. And guys, I'm not going to lie, I tasted one already, the crab one, and I was really surprised at the flavor. The strength of the flavor, how powerful the flavor was. Because when I first tasted the mixture before cooking them, it tasted kind of bland, and I added more seasonings, but it's still, I was like, this is not going to have much flavor. But man, when you fry them in the egg roll and all the flavors get mixed together and fry up together, it's a different story. So I'm going to cut this one in half. This is the egg roll one. And this one is the, let's clean this knife up a little. And this is the hamburger one. And I just want you to see, this is hamburger with cheese. I just want you to see what they look like in the inside. Okay. And I think it's a little dark here, but this is what they look, this is the hamburger one. Okay, that's what it looks like in the inside. And here's the crab one. And I'm going to taste the crab one again for you guys. A little hot, but oh my goodness. The flavor, I don't think it was going to be this good. Not only because I tasted the mix before it cooked. Oh my goodness, that, that's really good. And I'm going to taste the hamburger one. The hamburger ones I really didn't make them for myself. I'm making them for my son, because he's not going to like the crab ones. So I'm going to taste this. I'm going to taste a little bit more. I'm trying to see if I can taste the cheeseburger flavor in here. Oh, it's hot, 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 hot. Just taste, let me just cut it up this way. Wow. See if I can taste the cheese. Because all I put in there was the hamburger meat and the cheese. Let's see.